Hey guys, so I was thinking about sort of 20 odd years ago, maybe 25 years now, where we started the cloud computing wars. There was Amazon Web Services. They moved really early. Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, my memory serves me correctly, was a little bit later. But we've now got to a point where I guess probably about 90% of the global spend on cloud computing comes through one of those three major players. There's, of course, the next layer of sort of second tier providers that are niche, but most of it's going through those folk. I'm wondering if the same is the case for the artificial intelligence platforms that exist out there today. Of course, there's OpenAI, there's Anthropic or Claude, there's Google Gemini, but there's tens or hundreds of other platforms out there. And they sort of fall into this, in many cases, fall into maybe differentiation around price and performance, performance being trained or skilled in particular types of problem solving, be it language or maths or particular industry niches, but also very focused on sovereign orientation, being specifically designed to support languages like Arabic or Chinese or Japanese or whatever it might be, or designed specifically to accommodate the rules and the governance expectations and the controls that sovereign governments want to wrap around artificial intelligence platforms. So I set myself a bit of a challenge to get to maybe describe a dozen different platforms in simple terms, a bit like the way that you would talk about breeds of dogs, and we'll see where we get to. Maybe the top dozen, or at least the dozen that I've thought of or come across in my travels. You guys could do the same. Have a great day. See you later.